Very good afternoon to you all. My name is Akshay Srivastav and I am here at the Okhla Bird Sanctuary situated in Gautam Buddha Nagar district of Uttar Pradesh. This place is known to be a home for more than 300 varieties of bird species and a few animals. So I'll show you around.
As the construction continues rapidly, the bird's habitat is shaken. The wetlands have diminished and so have the floodplains. Lack of rain is keeping the birds away from the bird sanctuary. The water contamination is so high that the birds are no longer attracted to come here. It is hot and most of the water bodies have dried up in the region. The conditions are getting worse and they are affecting the movements of birds. Over half of the sanctuary is located at the point where the Yamuna enters Uttar Pradesh. This is Akshay Srivastav reporting for India Today Media Institute.